Hey everyone, it's Sam here, and I'm really excited to be able to say that the CraftStash VIP membership has finally launched. If you haven't heard us shouting about this, it's a brand new membership that CraftStash are bringing to you all with fantastic benefits. At the moment, we have an early bird offer, so if it is something that you're interested in and you want to join and find out more, all of the links and everything will be linked below in the description box. But there's also many other benefits that you can enjoy with the VIP membership. There will be a VIP members area where you will see all the latest offers and deals that are exclusive to you. You'll be the first to see new collections, which I know lots of you will enjoy. So if you've got your favourite designers and you enjoy watching their monthly launches, you will be able to have access to that collection before anybody else. You will receive exclusive VIP content from your favourite designers. So there will be masterclasses, tips and techniques, interviews, and you'll also receive weekly emails with the exclusive offers and deals, plus a lot more. That's just a little bit. So to celebrate the CraftStash VIP membership, myself and some of the other co-brands have got together, and we've made some videos that you can enjoy over the coming week to just show you a little taste of what you can expect by becoming a VIP member. Lou will be showing you some techniques on how you can emboss with your dies. I will be sharing a mini masterclass on how I colour with my coloured pencils. Katie will be showing you how to use your dies as stencils, along with some other wonderful videos. So if you would like to join this hop, just click below and you will see everybody that's participating and the dates that their videos will be going live. Also, you will have the opportunity to win a £25 voucher from each of the videos that you watch. All you need to do is comment, and you need to like and subscribe to each of the channels to be in with a chance to win. A winner from each of the channels will be chosen on the 20th of February, and that channel will announce that winner as well. So I hope you enjoy the videos that we've got to share, and I hope you do join the CraftStash membership. Like I said, all of the information is in the description box below.